The history of the Airbus A380. The Airbus A380, a behemoth of the skies, stands as a testament to human engineering and innovation. This double-deck, wide-body, four-engine airplane is the largest passenger airliner in the world. Its development and journey into commercial service mark a significant chapter in the history of aviation. In this exploration, we delve into the origins, design, manufacturing, challenges, and impact of the Airbus A380. The concept of the A380 can be traced back to the early 1990s, when Airbus began to envision a new generation of large aircraft to meet the growing demand for air travel. The aim was to create a super jumbo that could carry more passengers over longer distances, offering airlines an efficient solution for high-density routes. The formal launch of the A3XX program, which later became the A380, took place in December 2000. Airbus faced a significant challenge in designing an aircraft that not only met the demands of airlines, but also complied with strict safety and environmental regulations. The A380 had to incorporate cutting-edge technology, including advanced materials and avionics, to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. The Airbus A380 is renowned for its distinctive design, featuring a full-length upper deck that spans the entire length of the fuselage. This design allows for a spacious interior with a potential seating capacity of over 800 passengers in a high-density configuration. The aircraft boasts impressive wingspan and its four engines, typically Rolls-Royce Trent 900 or Engine Alliance GP7200, provide the necessary thrust for long-haul flights. The A380 is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including a fly-by-wire control system, advanced navigation systems, and a spacious cockpit with the latest avionics. The interior design offers passengers a comfortable and quiet flying experience, with amenities such as larger windows, lower cabin altitude, and reduced engine noise. Manufacturing and assembly. The manufacturing process of the A380 is a collaborative effort involving numerous international partners. Airbus's facilities in France, Germany, Spain, and the United Kingdom all contribute to the production of various components. The major sections, including the fuselage and wings, are transported to the final assembly line in Toulouse, France. The assembly of the A380 is a complex and meticulous process, with each aircraft comprising millions of individual parts. The precision required in assembling such a massive and technologically advanced aircraft is a testament to the expertise and coordination of the global aerospace industry. Despite its groundbreaking design and capabilities, the Airbus A380 faced several challenges and setbacks during its development and operational life. One significant challenge was the global economic downturn in the late 2000s, which led to a decrease in air travel demand and subsequently impacted the sales of the A380. Additionally, the rise of more fuel-efficient twin-engine aircraft, such as the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and Airbus A350, posed stiff competition to the A380. Airlines began to prioritize these newer, more economical models over the larger, four-engine A380. The Airbus A380 has undoubtedly left an indelible mark on the aviation industry. Its entry into service in 2007 marked a new era in long-haul travel, offering passengers an unprecedented level of comfort and airlines an efficient solution for high-density routes. However, the A380's impact also extends to the business strategies of airlines. Some carriers, faced with changing market dynamics and a preference for more fuel-efficient options, have phased out or reduced their A380 fleets. On the other hand, certain airlines continue to operate the A380 on key routes, emphasizing its value for specific markets. The Airbus A380 stands as a symbol of ambition, innovation, and the pursuit of excellence in aviation. Its development and operational history reflect the challenges and triumphs inherent in pushing the boundaries of what is possible in aircraft design and manufacturing. As the aviation industry continues to evolve, the legacy of the A380 will persist, influencing the way we perceive and experience long-haul air travel for years to come.